So I know I made a video of me making this smooth movement, but screencast my stupid rule. It's a 5 minutes per video. Are you kidding? That is so dumb. So I have to make another video showing you how to add a rainbow trail to your little player, so you don't have to do that. So you don't have to have a plain player. So here's the tutorial. So first thing to do is go to this forever thing and do create clone of myself. Then go when I start as clone, repeat 10, change color effect by 20, and then go to control and go to delete this clone and put it under, so just like, and then you have it. There's also other things you can do, like make the change ghost effect by 10. Okay, and then when it kinda goes away like that. But I kinda like the plain version of it. You can also do this, but it's really weird. Like, I don't know how to explain, but you can also make no color and then this. It looks weird though. So I just go with only color on it because it looks more colorful and cool. So I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, then you can like this video. But I guess that's the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.